What up, guys? Knowledge of Health here. Just want to give a quick market update. What I have bought recently. TMF. This is a triple leverage of the TLT 20-year Treasury. Be careful with these because it is triple leveraged. If it goes down over time, it can do worse than the underlying stock, so it's kind of a little more volatile. So yeah, just be a little careful. You could also look at the TLT to get access to this treasury here. Let's look at the charts. I bought it right in there at that 58 about. Let's see. Yeah, 58.36. Right when it kind of went up above that line. It looks like it's going up. I only bought one share, but I might just sell it if the RSI goes extreme, as you've seen before, and then buy all the dips. This, accidentally, I bought this in my house fund, but I'm like, that's alright, I'll just use it in that. I accidentally brought it in the wrong fund, but I think it actually was meant to be. Let's see, I bought a little more Apple. Just $100 when it was at $224. Let's see what it's at now. So yeah, this was a few days ago, so I saw it was like trying to pop and then it went back down again, but that's alright. Apple's been a super solid company over time. All my past purchases, I've made money on it. And, you know, a few years ago, I was like trying to buy a lot when it was like 100 and stuff. So, it's one that does well. The P/E ratio is very good, and then with the economic conditions we're going into, I feel like the P/E ratio might be important. By the way, guys, all financial indicators are saying we're in a recession in America, at least. I mean, it's kind of different than some recessions, but in certain areas we are in a recession. They're not going to go full on and announce it until after the election. So if like stocks get like super cheap or something, I'm just saying don't freak out. That's your time to buy. You know, because like the market moves on emotion. They announce a recession, people just freak out and sell on emotion, even though we're kind of already in one. Just they haven't announced it yet. But certain indicators indicate that we are in a true recession already. So just to keep that in mind, we're in this for the long haul, and when prices get cheaper, you gotta love it. Let's see what else I did. I trimmed some AT&T a little bit the other day, kind of drip trimming it, and we can look. The RSI is high. It's even higher now. I could probably trim one more share here. I know a lot of people are down on their AT&T. I don't know. I'm up on it. I guess I just bought the lows or whatever, but I'm up overall for sure. And pays a dividend and stuff. So yeah, I'll keep most of it. Maybe I'll trim one more share. I bought, this is Microsoft. I guess I didn't get a full picture there. That was, I guess I didn't get a picture of that one. I thought I did. Of when I bought it. But Microsoft actually bought today. I think I just put like $100 on it. I think it was like $412 when I bought it. Yeah, this is like one of the top ones in the S&P 500, the VU, all that, all the indexes. It's one of the top holdings in a lot of things, so. And this morning I bought, was it this morning? Actually, I think this one might have been yesterday. Or no, maybe, I think it was this morning. I bought this one. It is a steel company. The president mentioned it the other day in some sort of speech or something, saying he's going to block a merger or someone buying them out. So you can see it dipped way down. I bought it today at about 33 and it kind of went down again. Now it's at 31, you can see. But a lot of these analysis companies have it like undervalued now at these prices, so I just bought a little bit. I guess I didn't take a picture of that one, dang. I thought I did. Anyway, yeah, I just bought a little bit, like, let's see. I believe I bought 4 shares, maybe 3. I think 4. 4? Something like that. Man, no, maybe just 3. Anyway, yeah, the market's been, I guess, overall in fear mode lately, so I'm still waiting for the buy signals on some things. I'm still looking at super microcomputer. I'm looking at SMH. It is a semiconductor ETF that I looked earlier this year. It was the top performing ETF of any ETF in the last 5 years. So that's had a big dip. Let's check this out. SMH. Yeah, that might be a buy tomorrow. Let's check out what the 5-day is. Yep, still barely under the 5-day, so. Another one I was looking at was SOXL. Like, this is a triple leverage and it's semiconductor as well. See, it's a little cheaper if you want to, that's more like a trade or something. But I feel like, I don't know. Like, that's the one I was going to do, but I feel like I changed my mind to the SMH. The SMH has just done super well over time. Either way is a good one. Let's see. Oh yeah, smci. There we go. Yeah, it's just a huge dip. That one's going to be good to buy soon. And nvda, like, there we go, nvda. Wow. Yeah, let's see what that does tomorrow. I'll probably add just a little bit, like a partial share on that one. But the thing is, I think the semiconductors, some of them might be like a little overbought or this and that and the third, or like overvalued, I mean. But the thing with it is, I think we're going to need semiconductors and microchips that's going to have application for a long time to come. So I'm just holding on to my nvda until it gets like $200 a share. I ain't trimming. I think it's still, it could bottom, or it could top out someday. I still think it's got a couple years of uptrend. Personally, it's hard to say. But yeah, I don't mind adding a little bit. Alright guys, well, let me know what stocks you're looking at. Also, I read Lynn Alden's, she came out with an email or article for September the other day. And here's her current M1 Finance portfolio. I'm really open to any of these in the stage ones in the money flow pattern. Let's see, I already own BMY. I mean, I own some of them. Pepsi. CVS, which hasn't done that well, but I feel like that one would actually turn around. Own a ton of Amazon. Google, I might need to add some to that. I do not own MicroStrategy, but I own like a lot of Bitcoin. Some of these might be good. BP, ExxonMobil, I own a little bit, but I could probably add. Let's see. I guess I own a lot of Chevron. I don't see that here, but I feel like that's a pretty solid oil stock for some reason. And some of these international emerging markets, if the America goes into kind of a weakening dollar, which it could happen here for a few years in this next cycle, some of these could really find some strength. The international markets. There's a stock, HBDB. That's a bank in India. I own that. I've talked about that one before. So, anyway, yeah, I'm always looking for different ticker symbols and this and that. Like, I believe in a diversified portfolio. Also, watch your position sizing. Don't get too much into any one position. If you really believe in a position, then of course add more than normal. But alrighty guys, peace.